Hi guys, this is Jack from Innovation Justice. Today I am going to show you how to hack the Hackthebox Waldo machine. First I'm going to log in the Hackthebox. My internet is a little bit slow. Let me log in with the Hackthebox. Sorry for the past 2 weeks. I didn't upload any Hackthebox video. I'm just a little bit busy. Okay, let me go to the machine. I think it's a big slow. I think so. My internet is really slow. Let me check. Yeah, it's really slow. It's 1086 ms. Let me fix this fast. What is the problem? Yeah, I think it's fine. I think yeah, it's fine. Okay. This is the mission. Yeah, the mission was rotated. Okay. Waldo. Yeah, I didn't get a username and root also. The mission IB is 10.10.10.87 and also you have Waldo writes up PDF, but if you have VIP user you will get a write up in Hackthebox, but I have only I'm not a VIP user, I'm a local user only. I don't have that PDF. First of all, I ran the Nmap -sc-sv 10.10.10.87. This is my first enumeration. All mission I start with Nmap only. Okay, it will take some time. Japan, just a little bit slow. Yeah, here we got SSH 22 and 80, and also we have 8888 port, but it's one as that one is a filtered. We have SSH and HTTP. Let me see what is with the HTTP port. 10.10.10.87. Here we say if we enter 87, it also automatically redirect to some other link. Let's see. Yeah, it's redirect to list.html. Have no idea what is with this. Let me show with the BurpSuite. We can get some more information in this BurpSuite. Yeah, BurpSuite is starting. Yeah, I think I already enabled the exception is on. Okay, let me enable BurpSuite. Okay, I have enabled. Just refresh this website. Okay, just go to the BurpSuite. Here we see we got code, request code. Okay, send to the repeater. Okay, just turn up the BurpSuite. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Here once if we run the 10.10.10 87 list.html. It's going to post the drread.php, and also the path is //. Here we see the bunch of files. I think it's a LFA vulnerable, remote file inclusion vulnerable. This page is. Let me see what we can do with this. Maybe we should use LFA cheat sheet like etc password. First just copy this code, paste here. 10 10 10 87. Okay, we can do with this. Yeah, okay, I'm going to use LFA cheat sheet. I have already done, that's why I just copy this one. If you don't know LFA cheat sheet, just Google it. LFA cheat sheet. Okay, there are a lot of things in LFA sheet. You have to do with every single one. Here we see the // there are a bunch of things around there, but I am using a different one. Let's see. Okay, false. I get a false response. Maybe the post is only it's not reading the file, it's only reading the directory only. Maybe we should try with the file read PHP, and also it's not a path. We can change the command to file equal paste this one. Okay, let me run this one. Here we see the passwd file. We get a lot of things, and also we have any user, specific user. Let me see with, yeah, we have nobody user. Maybe we should get the nobody user SSH key, and we can able to log in with let me go to the nobody and home nobody. I think go just move the script. Okay, here we see the .ssh. Okay, user.txt also we got, but first I will get the login and I will show you how to use this. Yeah, monitor authorized key. I think it's a monitor is a key for nobody user SSH key. Let me first crack this code. Okay, we got a code, but the problem is the script is JSON format. We have to decode the script, and maybe we can able to log in. First we have to decode the JSON, because the starting is key. That's why I understood it's a JSON script. Okay, let me decrypt. Yeah, here we see we got SSH private key. This copy. I have already done this, and also you have to change the permission to 600. Okay, let me log in with this key, SSH-I ID RSA is SSH key. Nobody is the username. Yeah, here we got nobody is the username. We don't need a password because we got a SSH. We can able to log in with the SSH key. 10 10 10 87. Yeah, here do we see we got access. we got access with Waldo mission with the nobody user. Yeah, we get access. Sudo -l, there is no sudo. There is ls-la. Here do you see we get again .ssh file, and also we have a user.text. Let's cat user.text. Yeah, just copy paste the Hackthebox. After it, if you paste this user and root.text, you won't get any point. Only active machine, only we can get the points in Hackthebox. Okay, let me go to the SSH and we see the, I think, authorized key. This is the monitor user, I think so. -l. Here do you see we got again dot monitor. It's a SSH key only. Yeah, it's also SSH key. Let me log in with the here. We find nothing in this Waldo nobody user. We have less access with the nobody. Maybe I should try with the login with the monitor. I will get something special or something else. Let me go to the SSH and ls-la. Okay, ssh-i dot monitor, username is monitor, add local host. Yeah, we get a monitor user access, but we didn't get a bash. It's everything is the rBash is not working. Maybe I don't know, it's restricted. Have no idea why is this problem. Maybe you could search with Google and you will get some idea. But I use different techniques to log in with bash. Here we this it's a bunch of script to bypass the rBash restriction. There are many things here, but I just do the simple things. Let me show you that one. Exit in bash. Okay, just -t bash. Yeah, I think now I got bash access. I think so. Who am I? It's not working. Yeah, ls is working. cd. We have AppDev, monitor, Steve. We got anything? Steve, we got nothing. Maybe we could export input and input shell. Like I will show you that one. Sudo also not working. Let me see what. Okay, wget also not working. What happened? I think the machine has some problem. I have no idea what is the problem. cd temp ls. I have already just copy my enumeration file here. That time the wget is working, but now that wget is not working. This is my nodes. Maybe I just export the bin bash. Just copy this one. Not working. Copy the other one. Bash is working, but why it's not showing anything? LinEnum. I have no idea why it's not working. Maybe I should exit and try with again login. Okay, just try again. Bash. Okay, who am I? Applicant is not working. I just export the shell also, but it's not working. Maybe let's try again. Just copy this one, paste. Yeah, I think now it's working. Maybe. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, let me grab this. This is for root access. I have done some research. I will get this get cap -ir. This is a file we can able to get a root text TAC, because I just did some research, and I just use in Reddit and Hackthebox machine help. They said get cap file we can able to crack some root privilege file called TAC. It's like a word file only. It's like a Vim file, I think so. TAC. In LinEnum we got a bunch of things. Yeah, here do we see we get a bunch of things. I have no idea about this one. Yeah, kernel is 4.9. It's a fully updated kernel. Tac. Okay, just run this command. We get a root.txt. It's a capability vulnerable, I think so. Linux capability vulnerable. Get cap, I think. Just paste the root.txt. Yeah, we have user and root.txt. We got the machine. Here. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.